this is how to create assets. In case you purchase an asset and you need to record it, including with the purchase price and everything about the asset, this is how to go about it. So once you get to the asset module, once you log in, click on asset module. Once you get to asset module, click on asset. On the asset page, you will see create asset at the top right here. Click on it. So first of all, you select the asset category. So the asset category determines the depreciation rate of the asset you're going to add, because any asset added under a category inherits the depreciation rate of that category. So we're going to select the category here. Let's say furniture, for example. Then asset type. So maybe there are other labelings you have to brand this asset. So you can select from here, or you add it from this button here. Let's say type 1. Then select the vendor from whom you purchase the asset. Then enter the purchase date. Now the purchase method. So I'm going to explain this to you. So for don't record purchase or already recorded, this is for assets you previously purchased. You get assets you previously purchased, and maybe that has been fully depreciated, or you don't just want to record the purchase. Then for cash, that means you bought this asset with cash and it's fully paid. Then credit, you bought this asset, part payment has been made, not the full payment. You get, maybe you made part payment or you've not paid at all for it, so you select credit. If it's cash, you select cash. Where this comes into play is after creating this asset, now the application creates a bill alongside this asset. If it's cash, it marks the bill as fully paid. If you selected credit here, then you have to go and add payment on that bill as you go. Anytime you make payment to the vendor, you come here to you go to that bill to update the payment you made to the vendor for that asset. So select purchase method, let's say credit, then add asset. So here you upload the picture of the asset. Let's pick anything. Then let's say asset name, let's say chair, let's say office chair, office, let's say executive office chair, executive office chair. Then brand, you can select a brand or you can leave it blank. So let's say 224 brand model. So these are further classifications that are optional, perfectly optional. So quantity, let's say we bought 10. Purchase cost per unit, let's say 50,000 for each one. So total here is 500,000. VAT, let's say no VAT. Then enter registration, serial numbers and handlers. So if we are entering registration, this means, okay, how is it going to be tagged in the office, or how is it tagged in the office? So that's what we enter here. So serial number, you can just enter the serial number on the chair, or you can formulate one. Company tag, let's say 12. You select the user who it was handed to. Let's say let's pick anyone here, then add, let's say serial number, company tag, let's say 13. User, let's just pick someone else. So let's change this to 2, so that we just do this here. So this is just 2. So once you're done filling this, then you submit. So now we've submitted this asset, furniture quantity 2. So now if we go to accounting module and we go to the bills section, you're going to see a bill that has been created based on that asset we purchased. And remember, we selected credit, so the bill is going to be showing unpaid. So we go to bill list under accounting. So now it's going to show us the bill that we created. So this is the bill, Timothy Idris unpaid. So let's view the bill. So you can see it. This is the bill. This is the balance due. You can see it's marked unpaid. Executive office chair quantity 2. Can you see it? So it's marked unpaid and it's 100,000. So as you make payment, you have to come here and apply the payment you made, or maybe you made partial payment, you just come to add payment and add the payment that has been made. So this is how to create assets on Carrotsuite. Thank you.